Have you ever looked in the mirror and wished you could see someone else? Welcome to Kay's Calm Kit. Today, we are tackling a journey many of us shy away from, the journey of self-acceptance. It's about more than just feeling good about ourselves. It's a fundamental step towards a calm and peaceful life. Together, we will discover how embracing every part of our being, flaws and strengths alike, can lead us to true inner peace. Stay with us as we learn to see our reflections not with judgment, but with acceptance and love. Self-acceptance is a profound acknowledgement of who we are at our core, encompassing all our facets without undue criticism. It's about embracing every element of our being, the good and the not so good, with kindness and compassion. Unlike self-esteem, which often hinges on our achievements or how we are perceived by others, self-acceptance doesn't fluctuate with external circumstances. It's a steady, unconditional acceptance of oneself. Moreover, self-acceptance is distinct from self-improvement. While self-improvement urges us to change for the better, self-acceptance invites us to first acknowledge and accept where we currently stand, imperfections and all. It's the foundation from which genuine growth can begin. By accepting ourselves fully, we create a compassionate inner space that makes sustainable growth possible. In this space, we recognize our strengths as resources and our weaknesses as opportunities for development, not as reasons for self-judgment. Understanding and embracing self-acceptance is more than an exercise in self-appreciation. It is a transformative practice that benefits all aspects of our lives. When we accept ourselves, we lay the groundwork for improved mental health and reduced stress. This acceptance allows us to meet life's challenges with a sense of peace and stability rather than resistance and turmoil. It reduces the mental strain of trying to be something we are not, freeing us to be genuinely present in the moment. Furthermore, self-acceptance plays a crucial role in how we relate to others. By acknowledging and accepting our own flaws and virtues, we are more likely to approach relationships with honesty and openness. This fosters deeper, more authentic connections. It also enhances our resilience, equipping us to bounce back from setbacks and challenges with greater ease. When we accept ourselves, we understand our boundaries and limits, and we are better able to assert them, which in turn makes us more adaptable and stronger in the face of adversity. In essence, self-acceptance is not just about being okay with who we are today. It's about giving ourselves the freedom to grow and thrive in our own unique way. While the journey to self-acceptance is enriching, it is not without its challenges. Many of us face barriers that can make self-acceptance seem like a distant shore. Let's explore some of these common obstacles and how we might begin to dismantle them. Firstly, societal expectations can heavily influence how we perceive ourselves. From a young age, we are often bombarded with messages about how we should look, act, and feel. These expectations can lead to a constant sense of inadequacy or a belief that we must change to fit a mold. Recognizing that these standards are often unrealistic and not tailored to individual happiness is the first step towards rejecting them. Past traumas are another significant barrier. Traumatic experiences can leave us with deep-seated feelings of unworthiness or distrust in ourselves and others. Healing from trauma is a gradual process that might require professional support, such as therapy, and it often involves learning to separate our self-worth from our experiences. Personal insecurities also play a role. Whether they stem from criticisms we've internalized over the years or our own harsh self-judgments, they can skew our self-image. Addressing these insecurities starts with changing our inner dialogue. This means practicing speaking to ourselves with kindness and understanding rather than judgment. By identifying these barriers and understanding their impact, we can start to take proactive steps towards dismantling them. This process is about building a healthier relationship with ourselves, one that is based on acceptance rather than perfection. Embracing self-acceptance is a journey that requires intention and practice. Here are 6 practical steps you can take to cultivate self-acceptance in your daily life. Number 1. Mindfulness. Start by setting aside 5 to 10 minutes each day for mindfulness meditation. Focus on your breath and observe your thoughts without judgment. This practice helps you become more aware of negative self-talk and enables you to gradually shift towards a more accepting attitude towards yourself. Number 2. Reflection exercise. Once a week, spend some time reflecting on instances where you felt proud of yourself or at peace. Think about what these moments reveals about your true self and how they can guide you towards greater self-acceptance. Number 3. Gratitude journaling. Each night, write down 3 things you are grateful for about yourself. These can be achievements on the day, qualities you appreciate in yourself, or moments where you showed strength or kindness. Number 4. Achievement tracking. Keep a separate section in your journal to note down your achievements, big or small. This can include completing a project, helping a friend, or managing a challenging situation calmly. Reflecting on these can boost your self-esteem and foster self-acceptance. Number 5. Seeking supportive communities. Join online forums, local groups, or workshops that focus on personal development and mental health. Engaging with others who are on a similar path can provide encouragement and perspective. And number 6. Seeking professional help. If you find that barriers to self-acceptance are deeply rooted or linked to past trauma, consider seeking help from a therapist or a counselor. Professional guidance can be invaluable in working through complex emotions and developing strategies for self-acceptance. Implementing these 6 steps into your routine can make a significant difference in how you view yourself and interact with the world. Remember, the path to self-acceptance is personal and unique to each individual, so feel free to adapt these suggestions to better suit your journey. As we wrap up today's exploration into self-acceptance, remember the key point we've shared: embracing all facets of oneself, recognizing the barriers to self-acceptance, and taking actionable steps to cultivate a more accepting and kind relationship with yourself. I invite you to commit to this journey, recognizing its profound impact on your mental health and overall happiness. Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your journey could inspire someone else. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Kay's Calm Kit for more content that helps you navigate the path to a calmer, more fulfilling life. Don't stop here. Like and share this video if it resonates with you. And check out our playlist, Your True Powerful Self, for more insights into unlocking your true potential through journaling and the power of daily affirmations. The link is in the description below and the pop-up at the top right of this video. Your journey to a better you is just beginning, and we have many resources to guide you along the way. Thank you for joining us, and remember, every step you take on this path is a step towards a more peaceful you. Much love.